Alright, so today, what are we gonna do? The other day, I wanted to install Mobius Beacon, the one, the famous one, but in like very beginning for me, like 1998. Yeah, so, so I wanted to install the Mobius Beacon. At that time, the window was like Windows HP. So at that time it's good. Yeah, no issue at all. But now we have Windows 10 and Windows 11. So I wanted to install this Mobius Beacon on this Windows 10, but I couldn't install this. The reason why is later on I found out that when this Mobius Beacon typing thing is very suited for Windows like 7, like the earlier version, this can with the 32-bit system. I wouldn't I won't say it can be installed on this 64-bit, but there is some tricks need to adjust. So that's why I browse here and there. I do my research and I do a lot of here and there. So I finally found it. So this tutorial is not only uh, for how to install in Mobius Beacon, but just generally speaking, how to install, how to do some adjustment to for you to be able to install 32-bit program on 64-bit 64-bit the computer system, Windows system. So that's what we're gonna do. So okay, why not we just jump into or let's get started. All right. So the first thing what we're gonna do right here. So we need to do some tweaks or some adjustment we need to check on. So actually it's very simple if you know how to do it. Okay, let me show you how to do it. So Window R, you press Window R. So right here, I already type in here iNet Manager shock for internet. What is this thing? Internet information or service? Yeah, to bring up this internet information service, we just ran these bots. So let's just enter. You're gonna have this same thing again. Same thing for you too. Uh, this because the window doesn't allow some feature yet. So particularly for this internet information service, so we need to check on. We need to get window to allow some feature. All right. So to do that, I'm gonna close it right here. Okay, we will come back later. I just click say cancel. Do that, come to the search bar. So window feature are they here? Window feature. I just click here. Okay. So this is a window feature you can on and off. So our objective here is we need to have an internet information service on. So right here we have it. Internet information service is actually check on, but we still need to on some feature. Actually, we will check on 2 points. Okay, so this is the first point. Check on. Okay, work management tools. Okay, this is the first point. You check on, then next, click here, and the first one, CGI. You just check on. That's it. So remember, 2 things only. So the first thing you need to check on is web management tools. Second thing, under the World Wide Web service, you need to check on CGI. So these 2 feature check on. Then after that, you just click OK. So we're gonna need to wait for a while. It's like maybe a couple of seconds. 1 second. Finish. Okay, we're gonna close it. Okay, then we go back to Window R. You press Window R. Okay, so click OK. So this time we are able to bring in Internet Information Service Manager's browse. There we are. So what are we gonna do with this? Simple, just follow my guide right here. You just click the arrow, then right click right here, or just click here and here. Then you just right click, advanced setting. There we are. See here? Enable 32-bit application. So I need no need to explain what is this mean. So that the words, the title itself is a self-explanatory. So enable 32-bit application here false. So we won't be able to install. At least I think. Yeah, you can see right here also the description. Enable 32-bit if set to true. Yeah, so that is the thing. We set to true. Then you click OK. So this is it. Yeah, so you're good to go. That's what I did when I wanted to install a 32-bit program onto my Windows 10 64-bit Windows 10. Yeah, that's how I did it. So I hope this content useful for you as well. If you like what you see, consider subscribe, like, and share. So this is it for this tutorial. I see you next time. Bye.